All right, today we're gonna do a video of a Chevalier surface grinder. It's a Smart-B818 Roman numeral 2. Has a Chevalier control, has a Walker fine division chuck, magnetic. Machine also has a coolant system. We're gonna start the spindle. Spindle's spinning at 1300 RPM. Speed it up. That's 3000 RPM, extremely quiet. It's a programmable spindle, any speed that you would like. Now we can jog. It's a ball screws on all axes. That's your table back and forth at your x-axis. Nice and quiet. Your Y is the up and down of your wheel. Again, also nice and quiet. Then you have Z, which is in and out. Machine has a full enclosure. You also have hand wheels. You have your Y here up on the control. This doubles as X and Y. You can jog both. Very fine division though. And then you have also, that's your hand wheel for in and out of your table. Again, the machine's also equipped with a coolant system. It can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.